Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and here is how you can change the name of your Apple Watch. It's pretty simple, but you need to know the proper approach to ensure it's all done the way that it should. So let's get into it. So on the iPhone that is paired to your Apple Watch, locate the Watch application from which you control all the settings. Then at the bottom, ensure you are inside the My Watch section, which you should be, but if not, click on it. Then proceed by tapping on the general section. Then at the top, we can see the About menu, so tap on it to get inside. And again, completely at the top, we have the name of your Apple Watch, which can easily be modified and changed to practically anything you want. Once you're done, just come back and the new name should already be saved as the default name of your Apple Watch. When it comes at adjusting this directly from the watch, well, it's not really possible. All you can do is to tap on the About section on your watch too and just view the name, but you can't directly edit it. So that's it from me. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If there's anything worth sharing, make sure to do so by leaving a comment down below. Also consider subscribing if you're new here because I publish videos like these quite often. Anyways, thank you for watching.